We're going to solve the following compound inequality, and you notice that it's OR, which indicates the solution will be a union of the two solution inequalities. So we're going to go ahead and solve each inequality step by step, each of them. So in order for us to solve for y, we're going to have to add 2 to both sides. And we notice that 2 minus 2 is 0. And we're left with 3y is greater than or equal to 9. And since we're multiplying, we're going to have to divide both sides by 3. And we're left with y is greater than or equal to 3. That's part of the solution. Now we're going to go ahead and solve the inequality to the right. And you notice that we're subtracting 1, so we have to add 1 to both sides. And we notice that 1 minus 1 is 0, and we're left with 2 times y, or 2y, is less than or equal to, and you notice we have a negative 9 plus a 1, so we're going to subtract, and we have negative 8. And we notice that we have 2 times y in our next step, so we're going to have to divide both sides of the inequality by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so you're left with y is less than or equal to negative 4. So now we have two solutions. We have the first one that says y is greater than or equal to 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. And we're going to go ahead and place our dot there. We also have negative 4, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. And we're also going to place a closed dot there. And we're placing a closed dot there because of the equal sign. Now let's read this inequality. Y is greater than or equal to 3, or numbers that are greater than or equal to 3. And we know that 4 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3, 6, and we indicate this arrow to indicate that we're going to keep on going. So we're going to go ahead and shade to the right of 3. The other inequality indicates y is less than or equal to negative 4. So we have numbers like negative 5, negative 6, negative 7 as less than negative 4. And we're going to go ahead and shade to the left of negative 4, and we indicate it with an arrow. Now to write the solution in an interval notation, you notice that these numbers are going to positive infinity to the right of 3. And we notice that to the left of 4, it's going to negative infinity. So our solution interval will be parentheses, negative infinity, comma, to negative 4. And we're going to use a bracket because there's an equal sign. And then since we're going to place them together, or the solution is going to be together, we're going to say union, and we're going to have a bracket. Since it's closed dot, we have 3 to infinity, parentheses. So this is the interval solution.